What are these?
These are the best drumsticks on the market. These ones are Collision 5A wood tip. Is definitely what I prefer, but they got all types of different kinds. They got long ones, they got 5B, they got nylon tip and wood tip, they got 7A, they got everything every drumstick company has to offer.
Why do you have so many?
Well, that's a good question. I ordered a whole bunch of them because I'm in 3 projects: Savage Reaction, Concrete Angels, and Samaya. All rock and metal groups, right? So I am playing a lot of shows, a lot of practices, and I'm playing hard. And I have been breaking drumsticks for a very long time, and I'm not going through these ones like I went through the other ones before.
They look different from your old ones. Why did you switch?
The durability, they're lasting me longer. Type of drumsticks that I love to play, that I prefer, and they got options for me to go longer in the 5As with the Reach series and everything like that. So it's really a cool, unique company where they can really suit the artist's needs.
What song are you gonna play for the people?
Well, this one we're gonna do No Pain, which is Savage Reaction's most latest single. Hope you all enjoy.
Yeah, you thought that I got sober, 'cause I said it to your face. Said you were glad that phase was over. And baby, I was drunk that day. It's not a game if you don't play it. Feelings that we locked away, but way down deep inside our chest, you were all that I had left. You and I were getting closer, and even with so much in our way, and I was always so hungover. Feelings that we